In this video, we will be discussing about the sentiment analysis of coin. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment means that what is the market sentiments? What are the sentiments of people who are trading in crypto? So for that matter, I am on Google and I'll be writing fear and greed index. Alternative. So I'll be landing on alternative.me, crypto fear and greed, Bitcoin sentiment. By clicking on this website, it will be telling you that what are the market sentiments. Now if you see on this dial, it shows fear and greed index, and right now the needle is on red portion and it is marking as 20. 20 means there is an extreme fear in the market. Yesterday it was not on 20, rather it was on 26. So it was not the state of extreme fear, right? Rather it was a state of fear. Likewise, it shows you the value in last week, then in last month. The reason why right now the value is extreme fear is that the price of Bitcoin is 37,876. Yesterday it was 39,000 something. It was trading 39,800 to 900, and all of a sudden it fell from 39,900 to 36,000 something, and now it is at 37,878. So this is the reason why the market was in 26 value yesterday, because it was around 39,900, and now it is in extreme fear of 20 value because it has fallen drastically. So what does this indicates, and what is the information that it gives? The information it is giving us is that whenever the needle is in fear or extreme fear, that is the right time to buy. Why? Because people are panic selling. They are in extreme fear that market is crashing and we have to just take out our money out of it. So there is a feeling of fear in the market. And the person who is having some strong nerves and has the capacity to hold, so that person will definitely enter the market in this state. You don't have to enter in this neutral state when this is yellow greenish kind of. However, when the needle is on green area, and that is the highest point of greed. This is the point of fear and this is the point of greed. So whenever the needle is in greed, then that is the perfect time to sell your coins. Reason being, there is a famous quotation saying that always buy the fear and sell the greed. A person who buys the greed is always successful when he is selling in greed. What is the reason behind it? When the market sentiments are on extreme fear, then that means that price has fallen down. As you can see that the market is red, it is minus everywhere. So while you are buying in extreme fear, that means that you are buying the dip. You are buying the lowest possible price available of the coin. However, when the market will be green, then that means that the prices are shooting up. You cannot buy or you cannot enter in any trade when the market is green. That is the time to sell all your coins which you have bought already in the fear values. So this is how the market sentiments work, that you have to keep on checking this fear and greed index in order to find out either that is the time to buy or that is the time to sell. So this is all about market sentiment.